Trying to capture a cardinal on my camera. Maybe if I zoom this out a little bit, I can get it better. Come on, I know you're over there. Oh, now it's moving away. They're way over there now. See them? Beautiful little cardinals. There's the female, the mother. See if I can get a better vantage point. Don't want to scare them away though either. There it is. Hey there, beautiful. Hi. That looks like the father. Didn't actually deliberately look for him, he just happened to fly into my line of sight. There's a chick up here above me somewhere. Where are you? Where are you? It's too much light. She flew into the other tree actually. She's over somewhere over there now. Bird watching is really what I'm doing right now. They're hard to spot. You figure the bright red would be easy to see, but they're so skittish. There's a couple of robins over there. See if I can get them on the camera. They're along the fence, and where are you? There they are. There's one. There's the other. I love bird watching. Very comfortable. Very relaxing. Anyway, let's try to see if I can find that cardinal. I've got cardinals, blue jays, and an array of different finches. Problem is, they're hard to spot. The blue, the blue jays, they tend to blend in a little bit better than the cardinals do. But they don't ever want to stay in one spot. The moment they see it, they gotta take off. There's the mother. Right there. There's the mother. Beautiful. That loud crunch would have been more than enough to scare her off. Oh, I think I see the daddy right there. There's the daddy. Look at that bright red. Oh, there they both are. Mom and Dad. I think I'm satisfied with that. What do you guys think?